Hi teachers, this is Gabe from CoGrader, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Rubric Generator. And I'm very happy with the results we're getting on Rubrics. It actually works quite well, so I'm excited to show you. Let's go. Let's do it. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna log in CoGrader, and you can go to your class. I'm gonna take this history class here, and with this essay, Causes of World War II. This is the prompt. Analyze the primary causes of World War II. Use specific historical examples to support your arguments. Consider how the Treaty of Versailles and a couple of other things here. This is our prompt. And then what you can do when you're using CoGrader, you can either pick a rubric from the rubric library, or you can click to create a new rubric. And here you can use the rubric generator. You can pick what type of rubric you're looking for. Is it a levels rubric or a point rubric? And then you can just enter the description. CoGrader is going to generate a rubric for you. The description is a brief overview of what you want this rubric to do. This is a social sciences rubric. Use standards from for the 12th grade. Let's say something like that, right? You can click here to generate the rubric. What CoGrader is doing is it's going to take your prompt. So the prompt is really important here. It's going to take the description and it's going to use the intelligence that we have to create a rubric. So let's see what it comes up with. Just a couple of seconds. Here it is. Well, so first thing is understanding key concepts as criterion number 1. And then you have 4 levels here, ranging from 4 points to 10 points. It has the explanation of this level and also an example and a counterexample. I want to add a third thing here that is, let's say, one of the criteria is citing from our source material, the documentary, World War II, the history. Okay, let's say. Then if you do that, it's going to add that to your rubric. Here is criterion number 1. The student should accurately cite information from the documentary World War II. So you can ask what you want to see in the rubric and it will do it for you. Other interesting ways of doing that is through the CSV. You can upload a CSV. It needs to be in this format. So I'm going to show it to you. So it needs to be in this format so it works. You have the criterion here as the name of the criterion, a description of it, and then the 4 levels. So it needs to be in this format for it to work. If you do that, it's gonna get your rubric. You can save that CSV file and you can just drag it here. You can also use, if you're teaching ELA, you can teach using the Common Core standards. So if you are looking for this, you can pick the standards you're looking for. And then CoGrader is going to generate a rubric based on this ELA standards, which is also pretty useful for teachers. So here are the standards. Yep. Okay, I wanna do that, so you can click next. You can pick what kind of feedback you're looking for. Just a review, essentials, or comprehensive feedback. And then let's do that. You import the assignment. You should have it graded. This is it. CoGrader has now graded the essays, and you can do your thing here and edit our feedback, approve it, go to the next one, and yeah. That's it. I hope I helped you, and if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. We'll be happy to help you.